Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, March 30th, and I am sitting in my bedroom here in Edinburgh, Scotland. I've got a lot of exciting stuff coming up, which you might be able to guess from the title of this video, but here's the details. Tomorrow I am going into town to get a COVID test to then fly to the US on Friday to surprise my best friend for her bachelorette party. She's getting married at the end of May and I am the maid of honor. I've been planning the bachelorette party and the bridal shower and all the exciting stuff that you do for a wedding. But living across the ocean, I didn't think it was going to be possible for me to go to that until one of my relatives, who is such a lovely human being who works for an airline, offered to fly me home for the bachelorette party this weekend. So thank you so much. You know who you are if you're watching, but thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I will tell you all about that in a second. So I am flying home on Friday morning. Mel, my bestie, has no idea that I'm coming. I'm flying from Edinburgh to Newark and it will be on a standby flight. So there is a possibility that I don't get on the plane. I have to wait for a seat to become available. So I will be going to Edinburgh Airport at 8 a.m. on Friday morning to hopefully get on that flight. If not, this video is probably never going to see the light of day, but yeah, hopefully get on that flight and head home to New Jersey. So I'm going to land in New Jersey at about 12:30 p.m. on Friday, April 1st. My dad is going to pick me up from the airport. He's going to bring me back to my hometown and I'm going to surprise my best friend and join her for her bachelorette party this weekend. So there's going to be a little gap in this vlog for that, but then on Sunday, after the bachelorette party, I decided that I just really need to go see my mom. I miss her. For you guys that watched the Christmas vlogs, you'll know she wasn't in them. She was going through a house moving process and ended up getting COVID, and we basically didn't get to see each other at Christmas time. So I haven't seen her since our October trip and I am missing her and I want to see her, and if I'm gonna be in the States, I feel like now is the chance. So on Sunday after the bachelorette party, my best friend's gonna drop me off at the airport and I am going to fly to Orlando to surprise my mom, and she has no idea that this is happening. Oh, I'm so excited. So Ken's is gonna pick me up in Orlando and we're gonna go surprise her. I haven't figured out all the details for that yet because it's a very fluid system, a very difficult thing to plan, but yeah, we're gonna figure that out in time. So I'm gonna take you along with me. There's a lot of details. I know I just told you a lot of information, but I'm gonna take you along with me for the whole thing. I've got to pack today. I've got to go get my COVID test tomorrow within 24 hours of my flight, which is still the requirement to fly to the US. And then on Friday, I am gonna go to the airport and hope and pray to the gods that I am gonna get on that plane. If that's the case, then you will be watching this video. So if you are watching this video, that means that I have come and gone and lots of exciting stuff has happened in the meantime. So I'm gonna take you along. It's gonna be a very quick trip. I get to Orlando on Sunday and I will leave on Wednesday. So it's gonna be in and out, lots of moving parts, but I'm gonna take you along for the whole thing. So come with me. I'm so excited. Ugh, yes, let's go. Okay, so it is 8:45 p.m. on Thursday, March 31st. I meant to bring you guys with me today, but just forgot the camera. But I left the office around 3:45 today and I went into town to get my COVID test. So for anyone that knows Edinburgh, I got it at Radox Health. It was so easy. I was in and out in like less than 5 minutes, and they were absolutely lovely there. So I got my test, and within about 25 minutes I got my negative test result. So I have uploaded it to the airline. I'm flying with United, and they have since approved. It took maybe an hour or so for them to approve my vaccine documentation and my negative COVID test. I found it a bit weird because as an American citizen, I don't need a vaccination to enter, but they still require documentation for that. So I don't know what would happen if I wasn't vaccinated, but that's obviously not the case for me. So it's a non-issue, but I uploaded everything and they have approved it. So I'm all checked in, and now I just need to hope that there's a seat on that plane tomorrow. So wish me luck, because I am desperate for this to work out. I'm very excited. I don't want to be let down, so I'm really, really hoping that this works. So we're gonna see how that goes tomorrow morning. But my flight is at 9:40 tomorrow morning, so I am going to go paint my nails, paint my toenails. I'm gonna get ready for everything. I've all packed. I'm going to post a pack with me video just so that you can see what I've brought for this short, kind of chaotic trip. But I will post all that and just link it up here somewhere when it's ready. And then I'm gonna go to bed because I have to get up at like 6 o'clock tomorrow to get ready and go to the airport. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, good morning. It is Friday, April 1st, and it is 9:20 a.m. So I think I told you in the other day's vlog when I was talking about my flight that my flight was at like 8 a.m. When I went to check in yesterday, I realized that I was being stupid and that it's actually at 9:40. And then this morning I woke up at 6 a.m. and found out it's been delayed by 2.5 hours. So luckily I got to sleep a little bit more. This throws off the whole surprise for surprising my bestie at her bachelorette, but we're gonna wing it. We're gonna go with it. I'm gonna figure it out. But that said, it's 9:10 and I have called an Uber and I'm ready to go. I have jeans on. You can't see, but I do have to dress a certain way to ride standby because I'm a pass rider and I'm representing the company, so I can't do leggings or comfies or anything like that. But I'm comfortable still in my jeans. I've got everything packed. So now we just need to go. I put on a little bit of makeup on my eyes and my eyebrows, but I don't do any face makeup for these flights because I'm wearing a mask the whole time and that's disgusting. But I wanted to look somewhat put together. So this is the best we're gonna do. Let's go to the airport. Okay, I've said it before and I will say it again. Edinburgh airport security is the most efficient security I've ever seen in my entire life. I literally walked straight up, put my stuff down, did not have to wait for a single person. So that was at, it's like 10 o'clock, just after 10, and just walked straight up. So that was great. Okay, so I stopped at All Bar One for breakfast. I think I'm gonna get the Belgian waffles, but I was not feeling the menu at the Wetherspoons, which is the alternative option. Okay, so I've gone for the waffles with streaky bacon on, and then I just got a cappuccino, and there's some sugar there, and they smell so good, honestly. Okay, so I ate breakfast. It was good, but the waffles were really sweet, so I probably wouldn't order that again. I'm really glad I got bacon on the side to kind of offset the sweetness. And I've been to Costa to get my dad Bakewell tarts because that's like his dad tax for picking me up at the airport. He loves Bakewell tarts, so I always stop at Costa when I'm at Edinburgh Airport or an airport that has Costa to get some for him. So I'm now headed to the gate because we do have a gate, and I'm gonna see if I can get a seat assignment. I noticed last night there was only 1 seat available on the flight, and today there were 25. So obviously that COVID test did not work for a lot of people, and they basically can't fly today, which is a huge shame for them, but it does mean I can get on the flight, so I guess there's a silver lining here. Okay, I was successful. Got an aisle seat in the economy section. Woo. Okay, so I've been given economy plus, so I've got a little bit of legroom, which is so nice, and now I'm just picking what movie I'm gonna watch. I think I'm gonna watch Endgame and cry by myself on the plane, but on the plane, it's like noon. I have no idea what time we're gonna part, but I don't care at this point. I'm just excited. Look who it is.
Hey!
Okay, it's 9:07 Scotland time. It's math. 4:07 Is it 4:07? Yeah. Wow. It's 4:07 US time, Eastern time, and my dad has picked me up at Newark Airport. Luckily for me, so we were like we were 3 hours late. And luckily for me, every single person on my flight was British, so they all went to the one customs queue, and I basically went by myself to the US passports queue. So I got through a lot quicker, and I didn't have a checked bag, so I just ran out. But I'm very late. I was supposed to land at 12:30. I was gonna go down, well, I was gonna surprise my best friend at my house. None of that has happened. She's already at the bachelorette weekend, so now I need to get there another way. So my dad is taking me home, and then one of our good friends is picking me up at home and driving me to the bachelorette. So this has been a bit hectic. Yeah, but I got the dad tax.
Oh, sweet! Yeah!
This is my Tupperware Bakewell tarts.
Think about that. Awesome.
That's the yeah, that's the ride,
Thank you.
the pickup tax. So yeah, gotta get home, do this little relay, and go for the surprise. So see you there. Never mind.
Are you kidding me? I got it! Oh my god! Oh. Are you kidding me? Can I Do you know I sobbed last night to Oscar?
I heard. I just talked to her.
You were in Scotland this morning.
No, I was not.
No?
I took that picture on Monday.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, like I have to post.
Hi.
Let's party! Woo! Hey guys, it's Monday,
Here we go again.
not Sunday, and I'm with my dad. So, had the bachelorette weekend. It was amazing. I'm so glad I went. Like, I'm so glad I was able to be there for that. It was so much fun. But I woke up yesterday morning and found out that my flight was canceled. And I'm flying out of Trenton, which is a really tiny airport in New Jersey. There's like, what, 2 gates?
2 gates, that's right.
Yeah, so there's 2 gates. It's literally tiny, and it's only Frontier Airlines that operates out of there. So they canceled my flight and weren't able to get me on another flight until this evening. So my flight is at 9:32. It's 7:16 now. I should be there by like 8 o'clock. But apparently, I've not been to this airport. Apparently it's so small that you can just walk right through. So yeah, I'll get there at 8 o'clock and basically board and land in Orlando at 12 p.m. So because it's so late, Mom still doesn't know. I've managed to, I think, like keep this. She thinks I'm on a flight to Scotland right now. But because it's gonna be so late, Ken's is gonna pick me up and take me to her flat, and I'm gonna stay there, and then we're gonna surprise her tomorrow morning. So yes, this has been a whole lot, but we're almost there. I am gonna work on maybe like staying an extra day or 2 on the other end, but I'll keep you posted on all that. But for now, let's get to the airport and let's get me to Florida. Okay, when I tell you that this is the world's smallest airport, that's security. That's the food hall. Gate 1, gate 2. That's literally it. That's it. This is everything. It's crazy.
Get behind the wheel again. I gotta see your face. I miss you. Miss you. I miss you. Got a long way left, but I'm gonna make it there tonight. Got my songs on the stereo.
know that feeling when you walk out and just get absolutely blasted with heat? I am in a coat. And it feels so sticky. Hey! Hello. Oh my gosh, that took so long. I came up to departures.
There was only nobody up. Everything was for arrival.
Woo! Alright, it's 12:42.
Okay, hello.
Okay, this whole vlog is just me in the car telling you what I'm doing. But this is gonna be the last one. It is it Tuesday? It's Tuesday, April 5th. This has been like a 5-day endeavor, but I'm here in Orlando. Slept at Kansas Flat last night, saw the dogs, and we are off to surprise mom. It's 9:48. I still haven't changed my watch. I've been here for 5 days. It's 9:48 and we're gonna go surprise mom, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom today, which I'll just put in another vlog because this one has been a whole travel day thing, but okay, I'm excited. I got my Dunkin'. And I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
We're wearing these cutie matching shirts that say all you need is love. Just kidding. All you need is a Mickey pretzel.
Yay.
Amen.
My phone's not connected.
Okay, here we go. We're at the house.
I just need help in the car. I have to admit, I kind of thought this might be happening. There were so many clues that I'm like,
Damn it!
when you guys didn't show up at the restaurant the other night, I'm like, oh, maybe I thought it and it didn't really happen.
Okay, so she knew.
I did.
That was a bust.
Too many little hints.
Yeah, she only figured out like 2 days ago, but I guess there were a bunch of little hints. So you can rate her acting skills, but I don't think she's getting an Oscar anytime soon. Because that was
Fake it to make it is what I tried and failed.
Tried and failed, yeah. So I'm gonna just end the vlog here. That was like the whole travel day, and by travel day it was like travel 5 days. But if you have watched the whole thing, thank you so much for watching. We are actually on our way to Magic Kingdom right now, so I'm going to, yes, I know, I'm so excited. I'm gonna vlog that as like another separate Disney day, so stay tuned for that. That'll be up next week. But if you have not already, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and until next week, we will see you real soon. Bye.
Oh, you should have shown him up here. Like the animals. No, we're gonna go by the animals. The cows. The cows and all. You're gonna see nice areas. You did.
It's all right, guys. I'm sure you've been to a zoo.
You don't need to see that.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.